In primetime news this evening, the opposition leader admits to being a British citizen. Analysts weigh in.
Prime Minister and JLP leader puts party in election mode.
And more Haitians arrive in Portland. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, we know that Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett has been talking about the tourism sector for quite a while now. And this evening, the tourism sector is expected to contribute more to Jamaica's GDP. More on that in the business day.
Thank you, Andrea. And Jordan Fort is here with a preview of primetime sports.
Well, do you relish being the underdog? Well, Cavaliers certainly seem to have, as they won the JPL title on Sunday, and their coach Rudolph Speed says he relished being the underdog. As well as, of course, the West Indies have landed in Jamaica ahead of their 3-match T20 series against South Africa. It's all in preparation for the T20 World Cup, but some big stars are missing. I'll tell you who and why in Primetime Sports Monday.
I absolutely enjoyed that Cavalier game. It was, and I'm not really one to watch football, but I absolutely enjoyed it. And Romain, what's happening with the weather?
This week is expected to be a wetter week than last week. We do have some thunderstorm activity expected across the island into the weekend this week.
I don't think I've been ever so happy to hear the word thunderstorms.
Oh, really?
But we'll take it. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, do you believe PNP President Mark Golding should renounce his British citizenship? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.